Right then, let's fly this drone for the very first time, shall we? Let's see how hard it is. I must say it's a very impressive bit of kit. Really impressed by it. It is very easy to fly. I got up to about 30 meters in total flight, which didn't want to go too crazy, as you can imagine, and put it in danger on my first try. I'm just practicing the camera angle. I just couldn't believe how good the footage was, considering how windy it was that evening. The wind was blowing the trees like mad, but on this footage, it's really still, isn't it? Yeah, the camera does a really good job of. Now I've got that basic control. I'm going to take it over the river shortly and get a slightly different view for you. There you go, that's Bangor D Bridge, the car's going over. As you can see, I'm starting to get close to the river now. Still being a bit cautious on those controls. A little bit nervous, but practice makes perfect, doesn't it? It's pitching round now. One thing I'm very impressed with is the footage. It looks very clear, doesn't it? Just see that water, can't you? Zooming in now so you can see a bit better. So what my concluding thoughts on my first flight and experiences. My experiences with it are very impressive. The build quality seems amazing. The camera footage, it's easy to fly. Although the controller is pretty basic and things, it's taken me a little bit of time just to get familiar with stuff, and that's why I'm not going crazy with the video and going high and too far away and things, because I just want to keep it within a relatively reasonable distance just in case I mess up. But for my first flight, I think I was pretty impressed with it, really. Can't wait to take it more places. And yeah, I'll put on the end a vid. Just wanted to document my first flight and just show you all what it's all about, really. And I will put a little video at the end and maybe a couple of pictures of what I've taken with the drone as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. See ya.